Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Wars Outlaws error code Moof 0x00001513. The error reads, "Login failed, login to Ubisoft services failed." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to start the game and log in. According to our research, this issue may be caused by not having a linked Ubisoft account or a problem with the game's online connectivity. First, if you don't have a Ubisoft account or haven't linked it to the game, this may be the reason for the error. So create a Ubisoft account and link it to the game, and then check if the issue is resolved. If you are still seeing the error, you can continue playing in offline mode. Some players reported that this issue didn't affect offline gameplay. To avoid being locked into the error screen, try turning off your network connection before launching the game. This way, the online check fails immediately, allowing you to get into the game. After loading in, you can turn your network back on for trophies and remote play. Just avoid opening Ubisoft Connect or the in-game store, as this may trigger the login issue again. If the error still persists, we recommend reaching out to Ubisoft support and reporting the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.